Hello guys, my name is Shubham and this is my first video on my YouTube channel, Something Productive. You will be hearing some background noises, please try to understand. Uh, so today I am going to do some language that you can use to chat with your friends in encrypted manners. So pardon me for my language, English is my second language, so please now let's begin. For you, I know that there will be guys who will asking for the wallpaper. This is My Neighbor Totoro wallpaper. I love anime, and this is my lock screen wallpaper, and this is my layout for the lock screen wallpaper. Let's get started with. So first thing, in any language you just that sorry, this language I didn't create it, I just acquired from, I don't know where I acquired this, but just start. I don't know what to do next, so let's start with language. So this is converting English alphabet letters into that coding language, simple codes. I will assign it. So this is very simple. This varies very simple, and when you just, I will explain it to you. So in this language there are, sorry, there are some tic-tac-toe boxes like structure like that, simple. 1, 2 and 2 crosses, 3 and 4. That's it. It's simple, very simple. Now we have 2 boxes, 1, 2 and 2 crosses. That's it. We have to differentiate these two. Sorry, we have to differentiate. What happened? We have to differentiate these two from these two. Okay, so for it I will draw it again. To differentiate these boxes and crosses from each other, we assign dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. We go with this. Now let's assign each alphabetic letter to each boxes. Yes, suppose that's A, B, C and D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Always remember, we write this direction simple, simply simple, but R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One thing to remember is that when we are assigning cross alphabetic letters, we always start from upper corner, and go clockwise. That's it. Okay, S, T, U, V, I see that I start from upper top corner and then I go this direction and then I go this direction. Okay, let's light something. My light. To O. Okay, so how we write it? Subse we first just look this language and just try to understand it, and just listen it. One thing, if you want to expert in it, I am not expert in this language, you have to remember it. Just try to picture in your head and then try to write it. With practice you can easily learn it. Now we write Totoro, so we are T, that's T, and we get T. Okay, and then O, that's O, then T, and then O, and R, and then O. That's Totoro. And just let's write another one. Hmm. What's what should I write? God. Let's say this is G, simple, and O, and D. That's T. This language work if for each letter. If you think that some letters have exactly one, no, that's not. Each letter has its own unique characters, so there is no problem, there will be no problem in assigning the letters. So you can write anything always, and that's look like a primitive language. I don't know how, but I don't even know who created this. I didn't create it, but I just acquired it. If you guys know who created this language, please let me know, because I didn't create it, so I can take name for this language. And this is very simple and elegant language, I think, and lyrics cool too. So that's my first video. Please support me and please pardon me for the language and background noises. I am recording it with my one hand and writing it with another hand. And if you guys want to know which tab and pencil I am using, I will let you know. Thank you for watching.